in this part and whole. What is the relation between part and whole? So I can say that first is a part of the second. Is it no? Part first is a part of second means, if suppose that if I give an example that a whole cake is given to you, and if you are taking a part of the cake, so I can say that this part, first part is a part of the second. In the same way, arc is a part of what? So arc, this term is related to trapezium, circle, triangle, or what? A square. So a part of circle, we know that part of the circumference of the circle, it will be known as arc. So your answer will be circle. So option number 2 is your answer. Right. So same type of question I'm giving here. One more question. Question number 2. Necklace is related to jewelry in the same way as shirt is related to thread, cloth, cotton, and apparel. So you have to find out what is the answer. Necklace, what is the first you find out the relation between the necklace and jewelry? What is the relation between necklace and jewelry? Can you tell me? Yes. And the relation between this necklace and jewelry, it is that second one, that is the necklace. You see, the jewelry is the group of first one. Is it no? We can think like this, that the jewelry is a group of uh, group of the first one, that is the necklace. First one is necklace, it is belongs to the group of jewelry. In the same way, we can say that shirt, okay, same way shirt is related to what, you have to find out. So students, just to think about it, what will be the answer? Then obviously I will say the answer. I have already told you the relationship. What is the relationship between the necklace and jewelry? Okay, so in the same way you find out the answer. Then obviously, yes, I am showing you now the answer. Yes, this answer is option number 4, apparel. Understood? Yes. Now I am going to the next question, that is question number 3. Needle. Needle is related to thread. In the same way, a pen is related to pink, cap, paper, word, or stationery. What will be the option? You have to find out. So in the first you have to find out what is the relation between needle and thread. Is it no? What is the relation between needle and thread? First you find out. Yes. What is the relation? That second one, that thread. Thread is required to first to function. Is it no? If thread is not there with the needle, then what work? There is no work. So second one, thread is required for needle to function properly. So same way, pen is related to what? So for pen to function of pen, so what is required? Ink, cap, paper, word, or stationery. You have to find out this one. So think about this, students, that what will be the answer? Yes. Now it is the time to show the answer. Yes, I'm showing you. Answer is option number 1, that is ink. Okay, so now my next question is on the screen. Same to same means same type of question, you have to find out the answer. Okay, so it is drama is related to director in the same way as magazine is related to what? Drama is related to director. In the same way, magazine is related to what? Option number 1, story. Option number 2, editor. 3, reader. And 4, printer. So what will be the answer? So I will say you the relationship between first and second, or you can find out. Yes, I am saying you. The first is prepared as per the direction of the second. Is it no? First one, drama is prepared as per the direction of the director. Same way, magazine is related to what, you have to find out. Yes, what will be the answer? I already told you the relationship between this, so you just tell me the answer. Okay, I am showing you now this answer. Answer is editor. Yes, absolutely correct answer is editor. Correct. Okay, so before going to the next question, students, I just want to say you that till now who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, then I can give you more and more videos, more and more interesting questions. Okay, so next question on the screen. Flower is related to essence in the same way oven is related to vapor, fire, heat or steam. What is the relation between this flower and essence? That one you have to find out at first. Okay, what is the relation between flower and essence? I can say you that essence denotes the trait for which the fast is used. Is it no? For which this flower is used, for that essence. Is it no? Flower is used for essence. So for same way, oven is, what is the relationship between the oven and what? So that vapor, fire, heat or steam. For what oven is using, students? Okay, let us get this answer. Yes, this answer is heat. So absolutely correct answer is heat. Okay, so today I'm giving you these questions, only 5 questions given. So students, you just give your response very much and share with your friends, then I can give you more and more videos and more questions. Okay, okay, bye bye students.